My name is Ricardo Farinha. I currently work at Sweco. I'm the director of technology there. And the basic idea, or that means, is that I'm working together with our development teams. We are studying technology. We are trying to understand and see how technology is affecting the business environment. And then our job or our role is to make sure that Sweco is ready for the changes that might come and are coming from the business environment. So it's a challenging job because technology is changing exponentially, but it's also super fun and it has a lot of opportunities. So the first question that Eamon did was, what was it like for you in the first AC hackathon? And basically, I still remember my first AC hackathon. I was thinking to myself and commenting to my team members that how can we in 48 hours build something that actually adds values to the business? It's super complicated just to get an idea. Furthermore, build something and then pitch it. And nowadays I can say it's possible. So you don't need to build the next Google or the next Netflix. Just like this is basically the goal, is to create an environment that supports innovation, that supports outside of the box thinking. So, and the most important things for me in the hackathons have been like to meet new people, to discuss and exchange ideas with them. And basically, often it's so that I build things or the ideas that I use in the hackathons are ideas that I have already had before, but I just don't have time to build it in the normal workdays because I'm too busy or the project deadlines are too tight. So then I go to hackathon. In 2 days, I bring a couple of guys with me or connect with some guys there and build something that I didn't have time to do it before. So think about it. In a hackathon, usually you have 2 days, 48 hours. And basically, in those type of events, it's compacted all the ideation process, business model creation, implementation, and then the sales and marketing pitches are all compacted in 2 days. So it's an awesome opportunity or an awesome environment for the quick prototyping and for fail fast and cheaply. So you can create quite nice things in a prototype level that can then add a lot of value to the business if further implemented. So the second question has been, from Damon, has been, what have you accomplished? So I've been, since 2016, this is my 4th AC hackathon, and it's my 10th technology hackathon in the AC field. And basically, together with my teams, I've worked on things to improve the BIM processes, VR AR applications, like data management and machine learning applications, GIS applications, you name it. We have tried a bit of everything. And it's one of the biggest accomplishments that we have been noticing is that a lot of these things we have been doing in the hackathons have been developed further by our development teams at Sweco, and currently they are actually even used in production by thousands of people in our business in Sweco and our partners and clients. So it's actually creating added value to the industry and bringing added value to those processes. And that has been the thing that has made us come back to the hackathons, because we always bring something back that we can then use in our day-to-day life. One of the most important things has also been that AC hackathons and other type of hackathons have helped this digital transformation that's now currently going on at Sweco. So with this type of events, we have managed to prove and show that innovation and technology can be done cheaply. It can add enormous value if done correctly. And it's not just others that can do it. We can also do it. We have the capabilities to do this kind of development and change the way that the industry works. And so this culture change, this has basically, in 4 years, we have changed the culture inside Sweco. The innovation culture inside Sweco has now been changed. All right, so if you want to know a bit more about Sweco, you can follow these links. So you can follow us also on social media. We are sharing a lot of the things we are doing online, technology-wise and otherwise, normal AC projects. If you want to connect with me, you can follow that link. And then basically, let's chat about these topics. Yep, thanks for watching.